Good morning. Today's not too good actually. Well, it's warm but not sunny. Got a bit of cloud above. Birds haven't been yet. I'm hoping some squirrels come as well, because they will be able to climb up that vine there. Try and get the camera to move. That vine. But yesterday I got all that. I got that table sorted out. I videoed that, so I'll let you see that now. Oh yeah, that's that done. Oh. Just need to open up a little bit on this side now, and then it's done. Can't remember where I put my laptop now. Let me just have a look here. This is supposed to go on tablets as well, but as soon as you put it in, it weighs down. So I use it just for my phone if I'm filming my phone there. Anyway, I'm going to get to the shop in a minute and get a Euro lottery. That's all I need actually. And then I'm going to continue this video tomorrow. So I'll see you later. After I did this, John gave me a call, said we'd want to go down to Edlington Pond. So grabbed all my cameras and went down there as well. Also filmed a few swans, ducks and little baby ducks as well. I did some time lapse there. I also was allowed to put music on this one this time as well. That will be coming up next, but I'm going to get ready and bugger off to town as well. So I've got bugger all in, absolutely nothing in. I need food more than out. So I'll leave you with last night's video, and then I'll add today's video straight after it. So I'll see you all again in a bit. I'm not even sure if there's a bus due. Just another day getting out of the house, that's all I'm bothered about. I have seen one going down that way, but don't know how long it's going to be before it comes back. I wonder if they still do that Wednesday boot market just down that way. I might actually go and have a look while I'm here. And then I'll go shopping after that. There's a few stalls, but not as many as there used to be. We've got some good things over there, but we've also got some things that everybody's already got. Especially DVDs. Nobody does them anymore anyway, but we've got a bloody magazine that if I get that, I'm going to really get jumped on by YouTube. Right, I'm going to get my shopping done now. Seems so quiet in here today. Don't think market's open either. Let's have a look. A few fruit stores and stuff like that, that's about it. Oh well. It's like a bloody ghost town. Fish stores are still open, but that's it. Yeah, I've got myself a little stool for when I'm in the bathroom doing my hair. So I like crouching down, but doesn't half hurt your bloody back. Well, I got the camera out because them idiots were messing around with this old guy here, but making sure that they don't do out to him. If they did, I would have had it on camera. Old guy's one leg in a wheelchair, so they were getting a bit rowdy until I got the camera out, and then they buggered off. Right, I'm getting with on. I'm going to put this shopping away. I've got everything I need, everything I need as well. So about 10 minutes for that bus, so I'll head off now. Bit of an awkward one that, trying to get upstairs, two things and keep the camera. Nah. Put it that way and set it up here now. Okay. Oh. That's what I've got. There. Trying to open the door with the camera in your hand. Oh. Oh. I'll end this video here in a moment. Just going to put that. That's what the bathroom when I'm cutting my hair or having a shave. Needs somewhere to sit. Right. If you like my videos, give us a like, comment and a subscribe. And I'll see you all tomorrow.